Watching videos is probably one of the most relaxing hobbies there is, because you get to have fun, you learn something new, or have a little laugh depending on the video you are watching. I surely love watching videos online, and I'm confident you do too, but what if I tell you that you can actually make tons of money with that hobby of yours using this brand new money-making method that I'm going to teach you, or you know it anyway. This is a little secret that I want to share with you all because everything is just so convenient and easy. It's 100% free, it can be accessed by any device that you have, it's available worldwide, and on top of that, you don't need anything other than yourself to accomplish all of this. What more can I say? This is certainly a top-notch method that is so effective. You can do this in a heartbeat. I assure you this method will definitely take your breath away, so make sure to watch this video all the way until the end and never skip ahead in order to fully grasp every step in the whole process. I'm sure you're excited, so without further ado, the first website is called grabpoints.com. Right here on grabpoints.com, you can earn money with 3 very simple ways as shown right here on their main homepage. You can choose to earn money by watching TV, accomplishing surveys, and by completing offers. These 3 ways are relatively easy. However, I suggest that you make money by watching videos for 2 concrete reasons. 1, you can earn much more money, and 2, you don't need to exert any effort at all, since all you need to do is watch the videos. And it's easy as 1 to 3, you get to earn tons of money online. The homepage is very transparent and informative, so feel free to scroll around and discover all the things about this website. Overall, this website is great, but what I really like about Grab Points is its payout threshold. The payment threshold is valued at as low as $5, which means you can claim your money on PayPal when you earn $5. And when you think about it, it is really low, which is so amazing since you get to withdraw your money into your PayPal account with all those mentioned. Let's go ahead and make an account by filling out all the information needed right on these fields right here. Just type in your email address, password, and hit the sign up button to signify completion of registration. So once you have successfully logged in, I want you to shift your attention to this left column right here where you can locate the option watch under the earn point section. Now remember, I am here to help you with every step along this video, so give me your fullest attention and listen closely so that you won't miss a single step. Alright, so click on the watch option, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can now access these new set of options that will take you to an external website where you can watch videos and in turn earn fat stacks of cash for free. Just click on one of these options right here, and then like I said, welcome to another website for this video. We clicked on Luda, so once we're on their website, the next thing that we'll do is to sign up once again, which only takes a couple of seconds, so don't sweat. Then after that, click on any videos that they recommend, and there you have it. Just simply watch these very interesting videos right here, and in truth you have a lot more benefits than you think, since you can enjoy watching fun videos and maybe learn something new, and on top of that you make yourself some money. Now onto the second website for this video, where you can earn an instant 20 cents in the first second you have with them just by merely signing up. Interesting, right? So the website is called the Super Pay Me, and right off the bat you can see this gigantic value right here, which is the amount that they have paid their members, and it's at over $4 million. So before diving deep into the details, allow me to show you this, where every inch of your worry will surely be taken away. Now on the upper right portion of the page there is a payment proof section, and I want you to click on that, and you will see this huge assortment of people from all around the globe that earn tons of money with Super Pay Me. With this solid evidence that we have regarding payments, there's absolutely nothing to worry about at all. So anyway, become one of those people and start earning money today by clicking on offer walls and subsequently clicking on engage videos. After doing so, you will then discover a wide array of videos right on this page where you can freely choose what video to watch and be your moneymaker. Once you have chosen your moneymaker, they will ask you to sign up, and make sure that you do so that your credentials are logged into their system, and you can prove to them that you are doing your tasks religiously. As they track your progress and monitor your activity, you can earn money easily and claim them on the reward section by clicking on the withdraw cash button. So you got everything right. Just sign up a lot time and watching the videos, and you get to earn money in a quick blank of an eye. And now we shall move on to the third website that I'm going to show you, but before that, let me give you this period to hit the like button and tell us what you think about this video so far in the comments down below. Anyway, the third website is called inbox.com, and to give you a little something, Inbox has made their stand in the money-making world, as they have been operating for over 2 decades now, so everything in this website will be smooth and easy. This website is highly popular due to the various methods of earning money, such as taking surveys, shopping cash offers, and most importantly watching videos. So there's this little quirk that I personally like with Inbox, and I'm 100% sure you're going to like it as well just by signing up, which only takes no longer than 5 minutes. you actually can get $5 in an instant, and honestly, that's possibly the easiest $5 you could make in your lifetime. But wait, even if you already have $5 with you, you still cannot cash out since the payout threshold is held at $10. This means that you still have to grind $5 more in order to have your first payout, and it's not really that much of work as we move along in the video and find out what you need to do, which is basically just watching videos as shown right here. Big brands want consumers to watch short snippets of their content, like movie trailers or new product features. They pay in box dollars, and they share a portion of their earnings to us, the users. And that's it. That's essentially all you have to do, so you can surely accomplish this in a jiffy. Now let's go ahead and begin and signing up by scrolling down until the bottom of the home page and click on this purple sign up button right here. After signing up successfully, you can now claim your free $5 instantaneously. And then all you have to do now is to watch as many videos as you can so that you can increase your earnings. And then finally, when you hit the $10 threshold, cash out your money and spend it however you want. Use your hard-earned money to buy those shoes you've been eyeing on for months, or that piece of jewelry you've been designed to hold, or just use it to hang out with your friends and loved ones. You did a pretty great job, so reward yourself using your own money. So that's the third website, which means we will now head on to the fourth website for this video. Website number 4 is called Swago.com, and loads of cash when you follow every step in detail, just like how I tell you to do them. Before delving deep into the process, I want you to know that this website has been up and running for quite some time now, so there's no question in regards with the integrity of this platform. There's no reason for you to worry about anything, because a lot of people from across the globe have been utilizing this method so that they will earn tons of money very easily. So let's not prolong the agony as I reveal how you can exactly pull this off. First of all, you can earn money with Swagbox by doing the mundane things that you do on a day-to-day basis. I'm sure you watch videos, shop online, search the web, and answer surveys regularly, so make use of these activities to your own benefit of earning money online. All of these methods are pretty easy to accomplish, but then again, let's just focus on watching videos, since it isn't arguably the simplest among the bunch, which will pave the way for you to earn more and more money as you get to save time and effort. Overall, Swagbox is highly similar to the steps I presented to you earlier from the previous websites. Just simply sign up for an account, and then you can discover a large variety of videos to watch according to your own liking. Just pick any video to watch, and make sure to open a lot of them so that you can earn more points, which can then be converted to real money later on. Just remember this principle: the more points you earn, the more money you can get. So just grind and grind while watching videos online. As you continue to do this, your earnings are surely maximized to its greatest potential, so you can now claim your money via PayPal, and then there you go, you can spend your money to suffice everything that you want in life. Now that's 1, 2, 3, 4 websites, so allow me to unveil the fifth and last website for this video, which is called Pickowworkers.com. As a quick background, Pickowworkers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. Businesses who need other people to help them to support their work come to Pickowworkers. Here, they can hire workers for easy and quick jobs. And with that little overview, you are going to become a freelancer for Pickowworkers, where you can perform several tasks such as visiting websites and of course watching videos online. I know this entire video is all about how you can make money online by viewing clips and videos, but this is just a really spectacular way of earning additional money, so I decided to insert it and save it for the finale. You can make more money quickly and efficiently by clicking on websites, which is part of the tasks right here on Pickowworkers. And that's basically it for this video. Make sure to check out my other videos so that you can learn more and more about how to work your way up into making money online.